If you're starting a YouTube channel right now, there's a good chance you're obsessing over the wrong thing. And that single mistake quietly destroys most channels before they ever have a chance to grow. People usually blame the algorithm, or their niche, or their editing, or their thumbnails. But the real reason most new channels die is much simpler. Let me show you what actually happens. You get excited about the idea of starting YouTube. You imagine the possibilities. You picture thousands of people watching your videos, subscribers growing, maybe even turning it into something bigger. So you finally do it. You upload your first video, and for a moment, it feels amazing. You refresh the page, you check the analytics, you keep looking at the view counter, you start thinking about what this could become. But then, something strange happens. Nothing. The views barely move. A few hours pass, then a day, then a week. Maybe the video gets 17 views, not 17,000, just 17. No comments, no likes, no feedback, just silence. And that's when the doubts start creeping in. Maybe the niche is wrong. Maybe the idea wasn't good. Maybe your voice sounds weird. Maybe you should delete the video. Maybe YouTube just isn't for you. Here's the interesting part though. Most people don't actually quit immediately. They slowly drift away. They miss one upload, then another. They tell themselves they'll post next week, then next month, and eventually the channel just stops. Not because they were lazy, not because they didn't care, but because they didn't know what they were really building. And that's the mistake nobody talks about. If you don't have a clear reason to keep going when nothing is working, YouTube will slowly drain your motivation. Because YouTube has long, quiet stretches where nothing happens. No growth, no validation, no signal telling you you're on the right path. And during those moments, creators start panicking. They chase trends, they switch niches, they restart their channels. They copy whatever the biggest creator is doing. But somehow, it still feels off. Like you're running in circles, putting in effort but not moving forward. And effort without direction feels exhausting. But here's something experienced creators eventually figure out. Motivation isn't what keeps a channel alive. A reason does. A reason bigger than views, bigger than subscribers, bigger than the algorithm. Because once you know why you're building your channel, something interesting happens. You stop chasing everything. You stop jumping from idea to idea. You stop copying every viral video you see. And suddenly, YouTube feels different. Not easier, but clearer. You know why you're showing up. Even when a video flops, even when the numbers look terrible, even when it feels like nobody is watching. That clarity changes how you create. You stop trying to impress everyone. You stop making random videos. Instead, you start building something that actually fits together. Video by video, idea by idea. And that's how sustainable channels are built. Not through viral luck, but through clear direction. Here's something most new creators never realize. YouTube doesn't just reward good videos, it rewards clarity. Clear ideas, clear topics, clear expectations. When viewers instantly understand what your channel is about, they come back. Not because every video is perfect, not because your editing is insane, but because they trust what your channel delivers. And when that happens, consistency stops feeling forced. Uploading stops feeling like a chore, and building your channel starts feeling sustainable. So, before you worry about the algorithm, before you stress about subscribers, before you chase monetization, pause for a second. Ask yourself one simple question. What am I actually trying to build here? Not what sounds impressive, not what you think you're supposed to say, but what you genuinely want this channel to become. Because once that becomes clear, your strategy stops fighting you. Your uploads stop feeling random, and your channel finally has direction. And if you're still watching this right now, you probably care more than most people who start. So don't rush it. Don't copy blindly. Build something you can actually stick with. And if you want to understand the exact mindset that keeps creators consistent when most people quit, watch the next video on your screen, because it might completely change how you approach YouTube.